Hey, my loves, we back in the Dollar Tree. You know, this feels like my home away from home. You know what I'm saying? Like my second home, because I'm always in here. Check these items out. So I heard that you was looking for the Steel Deals Trills for real. Okay, at the Dollar Tree, 123. Let's check them out. Now, this is definitely new. Global Beauty Care Aloe Vera Makeup Cleansing Wipes, 25 wipes for $1.25. This is a steal, honey. He has definitely brought a lot of the oldies but goodies back. And they have them in stock, which I absolutely love. And it'll definitely be this right here. This is the Hydrate and Moisturizer. This is the dupe of Olay. Absolutely love this stuff for $1.25. They have 3 different kinds. Check this out. All right, my love. So they have, compared to Olay, Micro Sculpting Cream. They also have the eye serum and then also the Hydrate and Night Cream. The one I had was this one. Really, really good. Amazing. You know, I like the moisturizers that don't leave your face sticky. You get what I'm saying? And this is very, very light. It doesn't have like a fragrance, a strong fragrance. It is amazing. Another hot item is the Eco Tools. This is a name brand made with real stones and bamboo, multi-stone body sculpting roller, $1.25. Still deal like Holyfield. Now, Dollar Tree also have the Pore Purifying and Exfoliating Cleansing Balm. Okay, guava nectar. This is $1.25. Honey, love this. And look at this. The J Gusha massager Dollar Tree has $1.25 as well. So first up, we have the Softy, the growth oil thickening formula. Absolutely love this stuff for $1.25. Definitely a steal deal like Holyfield. They also have the Softy natural herbal oil formula enriched with vitamin E. And then they also have the perfect edge control. Let me know in the comments section if you guys have used the Softy perfect edge control. This one kind of feels light. Let me know if you guys use this and how was it, you know. And then they also have the coconut hair and scalp conditioner, $1.25 as well. Monday, they have the conditioner and, my loves, the shampoo. Now, I know for a while, some stores you only see the shampoo, some stores you only see the conditioner. But Dollar Tree said, listen, we gonna sell you the duo. Now, when it comes to Onyx, honey, Onyx and Freeman is 2 name brands that Dollar Tree has in here that's galore, meaning a lot. They have the Hydrate and Heal in Minutes Repair Intensive Care Booties with green tea for antioxidant, anti-aging. You get what I'm saying? You get where I'm going with this? All right. So, Rich Formula, $1.25. They also have the cuticle oil over here. This is $1.25 as well. Intense Moisture Therapy. Love this. Now, remember we talked about the Nads Eco Wax Strip Kits that normally this is a Ulta brand that they carry. Honey, look at this. Perfect for face, body, and bikini. 3 strip sizes included. Now, I know we've seen this, but this is for the ones who haven't seen it yet. $1.25. Amazing. Another hot item is this bronzer from Be Pure. Bronzer drops with cocoa extract, shea butter, and vitamin E. Absolutely phenomenal. This is really, really good. Now, another item that Dollar Tree has, this is my first time seeing this. This is the Fabric Softeners Outdoor Breeze 170 sheets. And these are $5. Now, I could smell it scent a little. And, honey, this is definitely new. Now, it says it helps eliminate static, clean, softens and freshens clothes and spaces. I absolutely love using dryer sheets. If you have a ceiling fan or any dust like by the radiator or anything like that, or the baseboards, this is absolutely amazing. If you have like a headboard that collects a lot of dust, you want to get you some fabric sheets. They work terrific. All right, my love. So Dollar Tree also have these doormats. Remember what I always say, you buy the doormat, you don't be nobody's doormat. All right. Now, enter if you dare. I love this. Enter if you did. Yeah, I said it right. $6. Really, really cool. They also have this one as well. Just a little baddie. Just a little baddie. That's what Dollar Tree said. Spooky vibes. This is cute. Absolutely love the orange, the checkerboard. This is nice. And then, oh, my fave is definitely this one. Well, hello, stay for a bite. This is so, so cute. If you guys are still looking for the 24-inch stacking pumpkins, these are, I believe they $6 because before they was $5, but they have those red stickers on there. So I'm guessing that these are $6. Now, let us know in the comment section, what is your favorite Halloween candy? I'll go first. Mine's is definitely the candy corn. Always loved the candy corn when I was a kid. I don't understand how people don't like candy corn, you know? Now, Dollar Tree definitely have their Halloween candy out right now. Absolutely love this. So they have the Happy Halloween. This is so cute with the little pumpkin at the top. They also have the Krabby Patties. These are $3.50. Okay, you get enough. And then they also have the 100% American made candy corn, mellow cream. Honey, candy corn used to be the thing. I don't know if you guys still doing candy corn, but I absolutely love it. Another one of my favorites is definitely the hand soap. Okay, now last year I had the eyeball. This is the cherry one. Yes, cherry scented. And did I have this one? It seems like I had it. Pomegranate vanilla scented. When I tell you these smell so, so amazing, they smell absolutely phenomenal. These are $1.50. They also have the little pumpkin sage scented. And look at the little ghost. This is cute. This is the coconut lime scented. Absolutely love this. Now, they also have these little decor statues right here, the rocking decor. These are $1.50. LED wire light sets, $1.50. You get 12 of these. Different, like they have the bats, the pumpkins. They also have the little skulls over here. Really, really cute. Or if you just looking for just the regular LED wire light set, they definitely has them as well. These have 16 lights, while these have 12. Another goodie is these little spiderweb baskets. These are $1.50. Really, really cute. So they come in 3 different colors, the purple, the orange, and the black. They also had these ornaments over here, like the smaller ones. These are 16 pieces, $1.25. They also have the 5 ornaments, which are a little larger. These are $1.50. All right, family, let me know what was your favorite item. Mine's definitely was those aloe makeup removal wipes. Those were really, really good. New item of the week, fancy.